Morning sun on my window pane, city noise still calling my name. I take a breath, let the pressure fade, searching for peace in the life I made. Every road got scars and signs, every heart fighting space and time. I keep walking slow and true, trusting Jah in what I do. I'm going where the soul feels free, where the rhythm flows naturally. No more chains on my mind tonight, just reggae sound and a burning light. I'm going where the soul feels free, under open skies and a simple dream. Let the bass line heal my pain, feel the roots in my veins again. People talk but they don't know how heavy life can overflow. Still I smile, still I stand, with faith and music hand in hand. From the dust I rise again, turning struggle into strength. This sound keeps guiding me to a place my heart believes. I'm going where the soul feels free, where the rhythm flows naturally. No more chains on my mind tonight, just reggae sound and a burning light. I'm going where the soul feels free, under open skies and a simple dream. Let the bass line heal my pain, feel the roots in my veins again. I'm going where the soul feels free, where the rhythm flows naturally. No more chains on my mind tonight, just reggae sound and a burning light. I'm going where the soul feels free, under open skies and a simple dream. Let the bass line heal my pain, feel the roots in my veins again. Woke up with the sun on my face, new day moving at a slower pace. Yesterday's weight still on my mind, but Jah remind me everything takes time. City noise trying to steal my peace, but my faith tell me never decrease. I step forward with my head held high, no fear in my heart, no need to ask why. There's a morning light ahead of me, shining through all the doubt I see. Step by step I walk my way, with Some promises never meant to survive, but I learned from every fall I face, turning every scar into saving grace. I don't rush what's meant to grow, like roots deep down in soil below. With patience, truth and clarity, I build my life in simplicity. There's a morning light ahead of me, shining through all the doubt I see. Step by step I walk my way, with your love guiding every day. Morning light, keep me strong, teach my soul where I belong. No matter how hard the night may seem, I rise again with a bright, brighter dream. There's a morning light ahead of me, shining through all the doubt I see. Step by step I walk my way, with your love guiding every day. Morning light, keep me strong, teach my soul where I belong. No matter how hard the night may seem, I rise again with a brighter dream. I've been walking through the noise of the city lights, dreams on my back, still holding tight. They told me who I should become, but my heart beats to a different drum. I fell down hard, I learned my scars, read my lessons written in the stars. No shortcut to the truth, I know. Life moves slow, but I still grow. I'm walking my own road tonight. No fear, no chains, no borrowed sight. Through the dark I see my light. I rise, I stand, I claim my walking my own road, no disguise. Open heart, open eyes. Every step is mine to choose. I win my peace, I lose my blues. Friends turn strangers, seasons change. Some love felt real, some felt strange. But Jah remind me every day, the strongest roots grow their own way. I don't chase gold, I chase my soul. Inner peace is my only goal. When the storm comes, I don't hide. I let the rhythm be my guide. I'm walking my own road tonight. No fear, no chains, no borrowed sight. Through the dark I see my light. I rise, I stand, I claim my eyes. Walking my own road, no disguise. Open heart, open eyes. sun on my face. New day moving at a slower pace. Yesterday's weight still on my mind, but Jah remind me everything takes time. City noise trying to steal my peace, but my faith tell me never decrease. I step forward with my head held high. No fear in my heart, no need to ask why. There's a morning light ahead of me, shining through all the doubt I see. Step by step I walk my way, with Jah love guiding every day. Morning light, keep me strong, teach my soul where I belong. No matter how hard the night may seem, I rise again with a brighter dream. Some smiles hide the pain inside, some promises never meant to survive. But I learned from every fall I face, turning every scar into saving grace. I don't rush what's meant to grow, like roots deep down in soil below. With patience, truth and clarity, I build my life in simplicity. There's a morning light ahead of me, shining through all the doubt I see. Step by step I walk my way, with Jah love guiding every day. Morning light, keep me strong, teach my soul where I belong. No matter how hard the night may seem, I rise again with a brighter dream. There's a morning light ahead of me, shining through all the doubt I see. Step by step I walk my way, with Jah love guiding every day. Morning light, keep me strong, teach my soul where I belong. No matter how hard the night may seem, I rise again with a brighter dream. No matter how hard the night may seem, I rise again with a brighter dream. Morning comes with a golden sky, wipe the tears from yesterday's cry. Life keeps moving, rivers flow. Some wounds heal slower than we know. I've seen storms and heavy rain, felt the weight of silent pain. But Jah remind my heart each day, talk, but I stay calm. Music heal me like a balm. From the city to the shore, I know now what my soul is for. Not chasing gold, not chasing fame, just keeping fire in my flame. With reggae beats and bass so deep, I find the promises I keep. So I walk in the sunlight, feeling free. Let the good vibes carry me. No more chains from fear inside, just roots, love, and peace of mind. I walk in the sunlight, strong and true, living life the way I do. One step forward, no looking back. Irie spirit on my track. So I walk in the sunlight, feeling free. Let the good vibes carry me. No more chains from fear inside, just roots, love, and peace of mind. I walk in the sunlight, strong and true, living life the way I do. One step forward, no looking back. Irie spirit on my track. Morning light on my skin, feel the breeze, let the healing begin. No more running from yesterday's pain. Every scar got wisdom in its name. City noise fading slow, heart finds rhythm, let the good vibes flow. I breathe deep, let my worries go. In this moment I finally know. I rise with the sun, I move with the tide. Every step I take, Jah walk by my side. No rush, no fight, just living right under blue skies. Everything feels alright. I rise with the sun, I move with the tide. Every step I take, Jah walk by my side. No rush, no fight, just living right under blue skies. Everything feels alright. I've seen storms and broken roads, heavy nights carrying heavy loads, but the fire inside never died. Still standing strong with my head held high. Now the music talks to my soul, bassline deep, let the rhythm control. I don't